Hi, in this video we're going to discuss some techniques we can use to find colors that look good together, and this is for those of us that are artistically challenged. Now the first thing I did was I went to Google and I did a search for color schemes, and you can also search for color palettes and a few other things, and I came to this site right here. And if you scroll down, you'll see that they have a bunch of different color schemes where they match colors that go together, and there's 20 pages of these. And let me just pick one. I'll choose this one. And what you do is you right click on the image and you go to copy image. Now let's switch back over to PowerPoint, and I'm here in a blank slide and I'll paste that in. And one thing to notice with most of these color schemes is what you want to do is pick the darkest color and the lightest colors and use them alternately, either for the background color or the text color. You want as much contrast as possible. So in this instance, I'm going to use this dark color, and I think it's black, for the background. So I right click and I'll come over to format background, and I come to the eyedropper and I simply select the color. Now for the text, let me insert some text here for an example, and I'm going to format a little bit just so we can see it better. Now I want to go to color and to the eyedropper, and I'm going to select the lightest color to contrast. And you can see that gives us a good contrast. And maybe I want to insert some objects. Now I'll do this. And shape outline, I want no outline. Then for shape fill, I can just come up here and again select the eyedropper. And now I have this color. And let me copy that to save some time. And I can go to shape fill, eyedropper, I'll select the other color, and now I have a color scheme that matches. And I've done the same thing here. This is a different color scheme. I've copied the image from the website and pasted it in here, and I used the darkest color for the background, or a dark color, and this text is this color here. And what you can do is duplicate this slide and then duplicate it again, and now we have 3 slides. And let's go here, and just to make sure, I'm going to format the background with the eyedropper. Then I'm going to choose another background color. I'm going to do the same here, and I'll just select the last background color. And what we'd do is delete the color schemer once we don't need it, and now you can see I have 3 slides with 3 different background colors. And if I was playing this as a slideshow for a video, this will give me 3 colors that match well for my background. Now let's go back up here, and here's another trick we can do, and this is called harmonizing colors. And harmonizing colors is another way to make sure that colors look good together, and it's good for those of us who don't have any artistic talent. So I'm going to delete this, and I have this image here. Let me copy it a couple times. Now I'm going to go here to fill, and I'm going to select more fill colors, and this screen will pop up, and I want to make sure we're in the custom tab here. Next I want to select HSL, and that means hue, saturation, and luminosity. And to pick harmonizing colors, just ignore the saturation and the luminosity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this using arrows, and you'll see that this little selector box changes too, as well as the top color down here. And as long as the saturation and luminosity stay the same, these colors will harmonize. And let me pick a more dramatic change. Okay, and I'll select OK, and this oval changed that color. And let me do this again. Right click, select fill, more fill colors, make sure the custom tab is open, make sure the HSL option is selected. Make sure I don't change the saturation, the luminosity, and only the hue. And I come up with this color here. And again, I can go anywhere with the hue I want. And now I have 3 colors that harmonize with each other. And these will go together. And it's a great way to make sure your colors match when you're creating videos using PowerPoint. Hopefully this has been helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye.